how to get a list of all the Facebook groups you're in with clickable links. This is John Drew at skintasstrategy.com. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, so this is what you need to do to get your list of Facebook groups. Okay, you can see my cursor up there. Just go up here, click on settings. When you get to here, over to the left, click on notifications. Over here, click on edit. Down here, click on group activity. Takes a while for the list to come up, depending on the number of groups you're a member of course. Here we go. Just click on, you can see there's 721 groups. Okay, click on show more. Okay, what you have to do now is just copy, just run down the list. Left click and copy. Okay. Then just right click and copy. Okay. And you can go over to your spreadsheet then. Left click into there, right click, paste. Just widen the column out there. As you go down through here, there's probably things you're going to want to edit out, etc. Well, that seems to, so far to come through quite good. Yeah, so there's your list of Facebook groups, and all of these are clickable links. So you can just open this up, and then as long as you're opening Facebook, you can click onto any of these groups that you've got there. And you can further subdivide these into different groups if you want to, and if you want to sort the data here, just click on it and then go to sort data source, and then column A, click OK, and it sorts it out into alphabetical or whatever you want. Okay, I hope that helps, and I guess you don't know you'll ever have to do this in case you ever have to do this, but now and again you will have to do this if you use a lot of Facebook groups. So I hope that helps anyway. It's John Drew here, and as I say, please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be great. Thanks very much. Cheers and out.